If you're planning to start a print-on-demand business and can't decide between Printful and Teespring, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide which platform is best for you. So stick around till the end for the final verdict. Let's get started. First, what is Teespring? Teespring, now known simply as Spring, is a beginner-friendly print-on-demand platform that lets you create and sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more without any upfront cost. The best part? You don't even need your own website or online store to start. Spring has a built-in marketplace and also connects directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram so you can sell merch instantly to your audience. Pros of Teespring: very easy to use, perfect for beginners, no upfront costs, built-in marketplace for organic sales. Integrates with social media platforms. Cons of Teespring: limited branding options, lower profit margins due to higher base prices, quality control can vary, hard to scale as a brand. Now, what is Printful? Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand providers in the world. Unlike Teespring, Printful doesn't give you a marketplace. Instead, it integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. That means you'll need your own online store, but in exchange, you get full control over pricing, profit margins, and branding. Pros of Printful: high quality products and printing. Huge product catalog, apparel, jewelry, wall art, accessories, home decor, and more. Full branding customization, branding labels, custom packaging, inserts. Better profit margins with pricing control, fantastic integrations for building a real business. Cons of Printful: no built-in marketplace, you must bring your own traffic. Shipping costs are separate. Monthly fees apply if you use paid e-commerce platforms like Shopify pricing and Profit. Teespring is free to start, no subscriptions, no upfront fees. They only make money by taking a commission from each sale. However, because they set the base prices, your ability to increase profit is limited. Printful, on the other hand, gives you full control over your profit margin. You decide how much to charge. But remember, selling via platforms like Shopify or Etsy may cost monthly fees or listing fees. Branding and customization. If branding matters to you, Printful wins by a mile. You get options like custom labels, logo stickers, packaging inserts, and branded packing slips. This helps build a long-term business and repeat customers. Teespring has very limited branding options, making it look more generic. Quality and shipping. Both platforms handle production and fulfillment for you, but Printful is known for superior print quality and consistent shipping reliability. Teespring includes shipping in most product prices, while Printful lets you set shipping separately, giving you more flexibility. Which is better? If you're a complete beginner with no audience, no website, and no budget, go with Teespring. It's simple, fast, and risk-free. But if you want to build a long-term e-commerce brand with higher profits, better quality, and full control, Printful is the clear winner. It takes more effort, but it gives you a real business you can scale. So, which one are you choosing, Printful or Teespring? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest comparison videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.